Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I'm uploading video number 12. In this video number 12, we discuss Geography second chapter, Indian Physiography. So in this chapter, let us see the MCQ questions of this chapter. The highest peak in the world is A. Nanda Devi, B. Mount Everest, C. Mount Godwin Austen, it's D. Dhavalagiri. Yes, children, the correct answer is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, it found between Nepal and Tibet. The highest peak in India is Mount Godwin Austen, B. Mount Guru Shikhar, C. Anaimudi, D. Aramakonda. Yes, children, you are correct. The correct answer is Mount Godwin Austen. This Mount Godwin Austen is also called as a K2. It is found in Karakoram range. This is India's highest peak and second highest peak in the world. The Greater Himalayas are also called Himadri because they are A. the highest ranges in Himalaya, B. the part of Himalaya, C. covered with snow throughout the year, and the D. birthplace of many rivers. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. covered with snow throughout the year. So Imadri means abode of snow. So means snow covered mountains. Therefore, it's called as a Imadri, Ima-adri, snow covered mountains. Brazil, Lozilla, and Shipkila are the A. glaciers, B. mountain peaks, C. mountain passes, it's a D. lakes. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. mountain passes. Mountain passes. So this, you have heard about Khyber and Bolan passes. Like that, Berzilla, Lozilla, and Shipkila are also mountain passes. So passes are the natural path or road between the two mountain ranges. They connect the different places or different countries. Makulu and Manasulu are A. glaciers, B. mountain peaks, C. mountain passes, D. lakes. Yes, children, you're correct. They are the mountain peaks. So Greater Himalaya or Himadri is having many highest peaks, the peaks which measure more than 8,000. Even Makulu, Mansulu, Dhavalagiri, Nanda Devi, Mount Everest, all these peaks are measured above 8,000 meters. Examples for glaciers are A. Dhavalagiri and Nanda Devi, B. Makulu and Manasulu, C. Aravali and Satpur, and D. Gangotri and Yamunotri. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Gangotri and Yamunotri. Gangotri is the birthplace of river Ganga, whereas Yamunotri is the birthplace of river Yamuna. So glaciers means slow movement of snow. When these ice blocks or glaciers move downwards due to varying temperature, they turn into water and they'll become source or birthplace of rivers. Even the mountains lying to the northwest of the Himadri are called A. Sivaliks, B. foothills, C. Trans-Himalayas, and D. Himachal. Yes, children, the correct answer is Trans-Himalayas. The Lesser Himalaya is also known as A. Himachal, B. Imadri, C. Sivalix, it's D. Outer Himalaya. Yes, children, you are correct. It's a B. Himachal. The other name of Lesser Himalaya is Himachal. So even the state like Himachal Pradesh, because of it present in Himachal. Pirpanjal, Mahabharat are glaciers, mountain peaks, mountain passes, and mountain ranges. Yes, children, you are correct. Pirpanjal and Mahabharat are the mountain ranges. Mountain ranges means a chain of mountains or continuous mountains are called as a mountain ranges. So such mountain ranges, valleys, and hill stations, you can find many in Himachal. Kangra and Kulu are A. Mountain valleys, B. Mountain peaks, C. Mountain passes, it's a D. Mountain ranges. Yes, children, you're correct. The answer is mountain valleys. A. Mountain valleys. Kangra, Kulu, Lahul, okay, Kashmir, all they are famous hill stations. Sorry, mountain valleys. Shimla and Ranikhet are A. Mountain valleys, B. Mountain peaks, C. Mountain passes, D. Hill stations. Yes, children, you are correct. Shimla and Ranikhet are the option D, hill stations. Yeah, how previous ones are mountain ranges and the valleys, like the Shimla and Ranikhet are the hill stations found in Himachal. So I've already told you that Himachal has many mountain ranges, mountain passes, hill stations, and the valleys. The largest alluvial soil tract in the world is A. Gangetic Delta, B. Godavari Delta, C. Krishna Delta, and the D. Kaveri Delta. Yes, children, you're correct. Answer is A. Gangetic Delta. It's a world largest alluvial delta formed by river Ganga and its tributaries. It is also called as a northern plain. The largest and the oldest physical division of India is A. Northern Great Plain, B. Peninsular Plateau, C. Himalayan Mountain, D. Coastal Plain. Yes, children, you are correct. The answer is B. Peninsular Plateau. It's the oldest and the largest physical division of India. Among all the four physical division, the first one formed is Peninsular Plateau. Plateau means elevated land or tableland, which is formed due to volcanic eruption. So why it is called Peninsular Plateau? Because surrounded by three sides of water and one side of land. Therefore, it's called as a Peninsular Plateau. The highest peak on the Mount Abu Hills of the Aravalli Ranges is A. Guru Shikhar, B. Anaimudi, C. Aramakonda, it's D. Kanchenjunga. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Guru Shikhar. This is the highest peak on the Aravalli Hills found in Mount Abu hill stations. The highest peak on the Eastern Ghats is A. Guru Shikhar, B. Anamudi, C. Aramakonda, it's D. Kanchenjunga. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Aramakonda. It is the highest peak on the Eastern Ghats. The highest peak on the Western Ghats is A. Guru Shikhar, B. Anamudi, C. Aramakonda, and D. Kanchenjunga. Yes, children, the correct answer is Anamudi. It is also called Anaimudi. This is found in Annamalai Range. Annamalai Range. So this is the highest peak in South India as well as highest peak on the Western Ghats. Sahyadris are the other name of A. Western Ghats, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Aravallis, D. Nilagiris. So yes, children, you are correct. The other name of Western Ghats, Sahyadris. Especially in Maharashtra and Karnataka, the Western Ghats are called Sahyadris. The coast which extend from Daman to Goa is A. Konkan coast, B. Malabar coast, C. Coromandel coast, D. Northern Sarkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Konkan coast. So the western coast is called Konkan coast in Maharashtra and Goa. So this is from Daman to Goa. The coast which extends from Goa to Mangalore is A. Konkan coast, B. Malabar coast, C. Coromandel coast, Z. Karnataka coast. Yes, children, you are correct. It is Karnataka coast. So Karnataka coast extends from Goa to Mangalore. It is also called as a Canara coast. Last year you learned as a Canara coast in 9th standard. The coast which extends from Mangalore to Kanyakumari is A. Konkan coast, B. Malabar coast, C. Coromandel coast, D. Karnataka coast. Yes, children, this is the correct answer is Malabar coast. So the western coast in Kerala and Tamil Nadu called as Malabar coast. So the people of Kerala, coastal people of Kerala is also called as a Malabaris. The southern part of eastern coast called as A. Coromandel coast, B. Konkan coast, C. Canara coast, D. Utkal coast. Yes, children, the correct answer is Coromandel coast. In Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, the eastern coast is called as a Coromandel coast. The northern part of eastern coast called as Coromandel coast, Konkan coast, Canara coast, and Northern Sarkar. Yes, children, you are correct. The answer is D. Northern Sarkar. Even this is also called as a Utkal coast. So in national anthem also, you have heard the word Utkal, Utkala Jaladita Ranga. So the other name of this Northern Sarkar is Utkal coast. So in Odisha, West Bengal and some part of Tamil Nadu, it is called as a Northern Sarkar or Utkal coast. The Lakshadweep Islands are formed by A. Volcanic rocks, B. Alluvial soil, C. Corals, and the D. Sediments of soil. Yes, children, you are correct. It is formed by corals, C. Corals. So corals are the living organisms. Once if they, after their death, they'll become solid. So on that solid, this island is formed. I hope you people have heard about Great Barrier Reef of Australia. This Great Barrier Reef of Australia is also made up of corals. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. And if you have missed the previous videos, so I have given links of previous videos in description box. So you can see whenever you want. Thank you.